everyone, welcome back to 40 days of Java programming, guys. So once again we are back with another small and tiny topic in this video. So this is a break and continue statement. So basically there's nothing depth about break and continue statement. That whole meaning is present inside its name itself. If you want to stop a particular code there itself, you must be using break. Or if you want to continue a code after a certain number of conditions, you just need to use continue. So that's it. There is nothing more about that statement meaning. So let's directly enter into the code, and I'll show you the examples about that continue and break statement. Yeah, so I guess you must be remembering this code. Yeah, we have used the same code in our swap case. So basically we have number of break statements here. At first I'll just remove all this. No need of this. I'll just remove all these break statements at first. Yeah, so there is no break statement here, right? BREAK break. Yeah, no break statements present here. So I'll just at once I'll just run this code. Yeah, for instead of 4 I'll just keep it as 0, guys. Once again I'll run this code. Let's see what we'll be getting. Yeah, see, 0 1 3 and 4. So 0 1 3 and 4, we got this output. So as I said, if my integer value is 0, only 0 must be specified, no other things shouldn't be getting. So in that cases, what I have said, only as I have given integer value as 0, in case 0 it is 0, so only this must be my output. So other than that I shouldn't get any other output. So what I did, Java will be coming here, it will be verifying whether this 0 is equals to 0. So if it is true, it will be entering into its block and it will be entering this. And before going to the rest of the code, it will be visiting this break statement. So by seeing this break statement, it will be stopping there itself. It will not go further. So I'll run this. See, 0. Okay. So as I given this break here, after printing the statement 0, it will be giving break to its speed. Yeah, you have heard the strange sound speed. Yeah, because Java is very speed, guys. If I remove this, if I run this, instead of 0, it will be printing all the rest of the codes. Java is very speed. We just need to keep a small hold for that. So to keep a small hold for that, we just need to use break statement here. If we use a break statement, it will be just printing 0 and it will be sitting calm there. And if I give 1, it will be coming here, it will be printing 1. There is no break statement here. Again it will be going in a speed manner, it will be printing 3 and 4 also. So for that case, we just need to give break here also, and here, and at the end it's not that necessary, as it is end, no need to give any break statement there. So to stop a particular kind of code there itself, we just need to specify a break statement there. So what break statement does is, it will be stopping the code at the point where the break statement is present. So before the code present before the break statement, it will be executing perfectly, but the code which is present after the break statement, it will be not executed, as a break statement will stop the Java there itself. So now, instead of break, I'll just use continue here. Just a second. So just give me a second. So 3, 2, 1, go. So instead of break statement, if I use continue here, what will be happening is, uh, I'll just remove this one and I'll just click it as 0. it will be coming, it will be visiting here, it is 0, and then it will be printing this value, and then it will be seeing this statement. Java will understand that okay, user have given me the access to go further, so it will be coming to the next line. Okay, it will be verifying this, and it will be printing this also. So then coming back after this line, it is giving given that break, so it will be giving a break here. That means this code of lines will be executed, and this code of lines will be not executed. And why this line is being executed is because we have given the continue statement here. Okay, so basically only one thing, guys. Break statement will be stopping a particular code where you want the code to be stopped. Okay, and the continue statement will be giving access for the Java to continue after the block of code. Okay, as I said, Java is very speed, guys. You can't stop Java. So if you want to keep hold for a particular movement or a particular block of code, you just need to use break statement there. And if you don't want any holds, if you don't want to decrease the speed of Java, you just give it access by calling continue statement. So that's it about this small and tiny topic, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this session, and thank you for watching this video, guys.